Yo, I'm about to share with you how you can turn the Fetch Rewards app into a monthly recurring income starting today. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, in this video, I'ma show you exactly how you can take the simple Fetch Rewards app and turn that into a huge monthly recurring income if you're willing to put in a little effort. All right, now if you're not familiar with what Fetch Rewards is, it's an app that you put on your phone, and whenever you shop, right, whenever you go to the grocery store, whenever you go out to eat, whenever you even shop online, you can actually scan your receipt and you will earn a certain amount of points. Now, once you get to a certain amount of points, you can then redeem those points for different gift cards. But what I like to do is save up points and get the Visa cash card, because it's just like having cash, right? You can buy anything, you know, with your Visa cash card. All right. So even with that, Fetch Rewards actually has a little referral program where they will give you points for every person that you refer to Fetch Rewards and who start using their app. So a lot of people actually, you know, use the Fetch app, you know, to get, you know, savings and stuff and scan the receipts. And they also promote the Fetch Rewards app, you know, to get some points and eventually use those points to get gift cards and, you know, cash cards. All right. But as cool as the Fetch app is, which it is cool, I use it damn near every day, it's not a way to really earn some real money. It's not. Even when people refer to other people, for you to actually make a significant amount of money, you need to be referring thousands of people, right? For you to actually, you know, earn some decent, you know, money from your points, right? But what if there's a way that you could make a lot more money by promoting the Fetch app to people? All right. I'm about to show you how you can do it and how you can start doing it today. Keep in mind, you are actually going to take this Fetch Rewards app and turn it into a legit online business that can make you a nice income. So if you are like getting hype about this and you're like, yo, I'm ready to do this, this sounds dope, then keep watching this video. Now, there is a program out there called Nexus Rewards. All right. Nexus Rewards is a cashback and savings membership site that allows its members access to cashback and savings apps, as well as different discount programs that its members can use. All right. So when someone decides to become a premium member of Nexus Rewards for only $22 a month, all right, so for $5.50 a week, you can become a premium member. Now, when you're a premium member at Nexus Rewards, this will give you access to not only free cashback and savings apps, it will give you access to exclusive deals and discounts as a member. All right. But the key is, which really is important with this video, is once you are a premium member, you are allowed to start referring people to Nexus Rewards and actually start building an actual passive monthly income as a Nexus Rewards premium member. So for every person that you bring into Nexus Rewards, you're gonna get $10 a month. Keep in mind, this is a recurring income. So as long as the member stays active with Nexus, you're gonna get paid every single month, month after month, year after year. But the cool thing about this is, not only will you get paid off of that referral, right? You're going to get paid off of the people that they bring in, and those people bring in, and those people bring in, 10 damn levels deep. All right. So one referral can pay you a lot of money. All right. Just by referring someone to Nexus Rewards. So you're probably thinking, that's dope, but what the hell that got to do with Fetch Rewards? All right. I'm going to tell you. So whenever you are a premium member and you start promoting Nexus Rewards, so you're going to start getting people coming to your Nexus Rewards page. So anytime somebody joins Nexus Rewards, even as a free member, they're going to get access to 3 free apps. All right. These apps are the Rakuten app, the Upside app, And you guessed it, the Fetch Rewards app. Now here's the cool thing. Whenever you become a member of Nexus Rewards, the premium member, you're gonna actually sign up with all 3 of these free apps, Rakuten, Upside, and Fetch. Each one of these apps have their own referral program, right? But we're only gonna focus on Fetch Rewards right now, right? Because that's what this video about. So you're gonna have your Fetch Rewards app, all right? Now, if you already have a Fetch Rewards app, great. Or if you don't have one, you create an account. You're gonna take that information and you're gonna connect it to your Nexus Rewards membership program, all right? Anytime somebody joins Nexus Rewards as a free or a premium member, they're gonna get access to those 3 free apps in their back office. All of those apps are connected to you, especially the Fetch Rewards app, all right? So think about this. When a person joins Nexus Rewards and they say, you know what, this opportunity is dope. I wanna become a premium member because I wanna get access to all that Nexus Rewards has to offer, right? So now you're gonna get a $10 monthly commission because they decide to become a premium member, right? So now you're gonna also get the referral points inside of Fetch Rewards after they actually sign up for Fetch Rewards. So you're getting paid twice, right? You're getting a $10 recurring monthly income, plus you're getting the Fetch Rewards referral points, all just by referring Nexus Rewards. And of course, when your members join Upside and Rakuten, you're going to earn money from that as well, all right? So the idea is you want to become a Nexus Rewards premium member. So instead of spending all of your time promoting the Fetch Rewards app by itself, earning just a couple points here and there that really don't translate to a lot of money, all you need to do is just promote the Nexus Rewards opportunity because your Fetch Rewards app is included with that. So you're going to be earning in several different ways. And this is why I love Nexus Rewards, because it really allows you to create multiple streams of income. Because like I said, you're going to earn money on people you bring in. You're going to earn a monthly income plus a monthly income from everybody that they bring in. Plus you're going to be earning from the apps inside of Nexus Rewards. So it's just like one place for many streams of income. All right. Now listen though. If you decide to join Nexus Rewards and become that premium member, right? Promote it. Like really treat this as a business because it is. If you actually promote this opportunity, the earning potential is there. The earning potential is huge, but it's up to you to take advantage of it. All right. So I highly suggest once you get started, this is one of them opportunities that you can actually refer to friends and family and feel good about sharing this opportunity with them, because ultimately when you promote Nexus Rewards, all you're doing is showing people how to save money and how to get cash back whenever they shop on and offline. That's what Nexus Rewards is all about. Yes, this is one of the easiest things to promote because you got to ask yourself, who do you know that doesn't want to save money? Who do you know that wouldn't love cash back? And who do you know that wouldn't love to start building a monthly recurring income? So this is how you can turn the Fetch Rewards app into a monthly recurring income and a solid online business. All you need to do to get started, you already know. Click the first link in the description of this video and get started today. Once I seen that you signed up and became a premium member, I will personally reach out to you and help you get started building your income. I really love this opportunity and plan on rocking this for many, many years. So when it comes to Nexus Rewards, I'm in go mode.